Okay, alright. So class, in this video, I will explain to you about the second method, which is LU decomposition. Okay, so this is our second method to solve the linear system, LU decomposition. Okay, so yeah, they have, of course, they have several steps. Okay, in this method. So I will write step by step, and also you can refer to the slide, but I think slide content and mine is a bit different. I mean, the algorithm is same, but maybe this is how I understand. Okay, I hope that you can choose like either one, tapi cara semua, I mean, dia punya objective is sama lah. Okay, dia punya step tu cuma berbeza sikit cara saya dengan cara dekat slides. Okay, alright, so this is how my way. Okay, so this is it, LU decomposition, and you refer to your slide. Okay, this is how it's right. I mean, this is a matrix A and LU. So L is represent what? It's represent lower triangular. Okay, L represent lower, and U represent upper triangular. Okay, right? So if you still remember what I said in the early slides or in the early video, I already gave you an example of what is matrix L and U. Okay, so now I repeat again. So matrix U is an upper triangular, so means that this is A, B, C, D, E, F is a numbers. Okay, and down here all are zeros. So for the lower, it's terbalik lah. Kalau upper, atas tu yang ada value. Sekarang if lower, value dia di bawah. Okay, so means that this one will be 0 and this will be a values. Okay, so this is a lower and also upper triangular matrix. Okay, so now the first step is you need to write A equal to LU. So this is the first step. Okay, second steps. Okay, okay, this is the matrix LU, but for our LU decomposition, they have a specific entries. Okay, for example, let's say I have a matrix A. Okay, I write in the general one. Okay, general je tu, bukan nombor lagi. So just a general. So let's say the entry is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, and so on is a represent of what? Is represent of a row and also column. So one here is represent the row 1, and another one here is represent a column 1. So A11 means it's located at row 1, column 1. If A32, 3 means it's a row 3, and 2 here is represent a column 2. Okay, so I hope that you get it. This one the basic one. This one last week punya topics. Okay, okay, so now this is your matrix A, and it's equal to matrix L and U. So you write first, what is your L? Okay, your L, this one must be 0, and here is a number. Okay, but for our case, okay, for this part, the matrix L here, the entry here must be 1. Okay, must be 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, I mean, it's already fixed. The value at the diagonal is 1. For this one lah, for the LU decomposition. Maksudnya bila you dapat soalan LU decomposition, this is the first step. The second step, you write the matrices. So the matrices for L is fixed already. This is the matrix for L, and later on I will write the matrix for U. Okay, for the matrix U. Okay, so here is a number. Okay, so I mean this number 1 is already fixed at the diagonal, but the rest here can be any number lah. So we write is L21, L31 and L32. Okay, we use L lah, L to represent a lower triangular matrix. Okay, and then for upper, these are zeros, and then the rest can be any number. So I write U11, U12, U13, U22, U23, and U33. Okay, I hope that they have no any problem regarding the number here. Why here is 233? Why here? Okay, it's a follow what you call row and also column, right? Okay, so next one is we will multiply. Okay, we will multiply these two matrices. This one we back to the matrices punya properties, the multiplication, the basic operation. So you will multiply matrix L and U. Okay, so how to multiply? Okay, so since this matrix is 3 by 3, right? The sizes of the matrix L is 3 by 3. The sizes of matrix U also 3 by 3. Therefore, you should get also the matrix size of your answer after you multiply is also 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so how to multiply and so on, I hope that it's clear now. Saya harap semua faham lah macam mana multiply tu. You can refer back to the previous video and also week 1, okay, slide week 1. Okay, but I can write maybe some of the elements lah. For example, okay, we know that they have 9 numbers that you need to calculate because this is 3 by 3 matrix, so means that they have 3 row and 3 column. So therefore the total entries here is 9. Okay, let's say you want to calculate this one. Okay, maksudnya ada 9 Okay, right. So let's say you want to find out this one. Okay, this one is located at row 1, column 1. So what we do is you take this as a row 1, you multiply with a column 1 here. So row 1 multiply column 1, so you will get U11. Okay, how about this one? How about this one, this term? So this is located at row 1, column 2. So you take a row 1, column 2. Okay, so you will get U12. How I get this one? Okay, 1 times U12 plus 0 times U22 plus 0 times 0. So therefore you only have U12, right? Okay, so same thing, this one is U13 because you take a row 1 multiply with column 3. Okay, so you can fill out all this. Okay, I just want to I will show you another one, which is let's say this one. Okay, this one is located at row 3, column 2. Okay, you take a row 3 here, multiply with column 2. L31, okay, you can write lah, L31 times U12, and then plus L32 times with U22, and then plus 1 times with 0. So therefore tak adalah ni, this one tak ada. So the element here is L31 U12 plus L32 U22. Okay, so can you figure out all this value by yourself? Or maybe you can, and then after that you can check lah with the slide. Okay, you can check with the slide. Okay, sebab saya tak cukup space nak tulis. Okay, you can refer to your slide. But I want you to try by yourself first. Okay, right. So after you complete this matrix, and this matrix A is remain the same lah, sama, tak ada beza apa-apa. Okay, it's remain the same. So step number 4 is we want to make it a comparison. Okay, so at this stage, actually our objective is to get the value. Okay, to get the value of U11, U12, U13, L31, L32, and so on. Okay, we want to find out that values. Okay, we want to find out that value. So how to get the value? So we will make it a comparison. Okay, I write this one. Okay, so let's say I give you, for example, you want to find U11. Okay, it's the same thing. You need to do it row by row. You need to follow the sequence. We do it for row 1 first, and then after finish row 1, you can do it row 2, and then row 3, and then follow column by column lah. First row 1 column 1, and then row 1 column 2, and so on. So we find U11 first. Okay, U11. Okay, what's the value of U11? Okay, and then you can see that it's located at row 1 column 1. You compare with this value, with the right hand side value. So A11. So U11 will equal to A11. Okay, A1, nanti matrix ni akan ada value This one is just example. Okay, alright. So then you proceed with the second column, U12, and U12 will be equal to A12, and then you proceed with U13, and they be equal to A13. So then you proceed with the second row. Second row, this one you will compare, or you will equate to U21. This one you will equate to U22. This one you will equate to U23 until you have 9 equation later on. Okay, ada 9 lah kan. Ni ada 9, ada 9, so akan ada 9 equation. Okay, so you need to make it a comparison. After that, dah make it comparison, kita akan buat apa step seterusnya. Step number 5. After you get all the value, after you get all the value, what we do next is you substitute back the value. This is a matrix L, this is matrix U, right? Okay. What else I use? Okay, this one, if you still remember, okay, this is L31, L31, sorry, L21, L31, L32, U11, U12, and so on. So what we do next, after you get these values, okay, kat sini you akan dapat values semua, you substitute here, here, here. Okay, so means that your matrix L and U at this stage, step number 5, is complete with the numbers. They have no any const ataupun variable lah, dah tak ada dah L1, L2, A1, Y, and Y2, semua tak ada. It must be a numbers. Okay, alright. So step number 6, what we do next is you need to find the Ly equal to B. Okay, Ly equal to B. So L is a matrix lower triangular, Y is a variable, okay, matrix variable Y, and B is the answer. Okay, still remember where we can get B? B, we can get it from the answer from the matrix tu. Okay, macam augmented matrix kan, A, B. So B is a solution dia kan, sama juga. So our objective, okay, at this stage, okay, nanti dia akan jadi macam ni. So this is matrix L, this is matrix Y. Okay, Y is a variable, variable Y, and this is a matrix B. Okay, matrix numbers, matrix L also numbers. Okay, L you can get it from step 5. So B you can get it from the question. Okay, so after you complete this one, you will get the value for Y1, Y2, and also Y3. Okay. So our objective at step number 6 is to get this value Y1, Y2, and Y3. Okay, and then the last step, step number 7, is Ux equal to Y. So what is U? U is a upper triangular matrix. What is X? X is a set of matrix that contains variable X. And what is Y? Y is the solution that you get from here. So can you see the sequence if you can you see the effect if you calculate wrongly? Nampak tak kesan dia? For example, kalau you dah calculate salah dekat sini for the comparison, you will get a wrong value for L1, for L21, L2, L31, L32, U11, U12, and so on, right? You will get the wrong values. If you get the wrong value, you will substitute the wrong value into here. And of course, this one will be wrong value also. So you will get a wrong answer for y. Okay, then this wrong answer for y you substitute into here, so you get a wrong answer for this one. So means that the final answer is to find x1, x2 and x3. So definitely your final answer also will be wrong. Tu saya nak highlight kan. Please make sure when you calculate, jangan kelang kabut sangat. Just you kena buat cepat, of course. So you akan tak cukup masa pun. Betul, calculation banyak sangat untuk subjek ni. But please what we call it, when you use your calculator, please tekan tu, press it correctly, and then double check your answer because of these things. Kalau you dah salah dekat sini, it will affect until your final answer. The whole thing will be wrong. Okay, alright. So this is the steps. Okay, this is the step. You can refer to the slide. Basically, this is the step in the slide also. But maybe in slide sequence dia tak sama dengan saya lah. Maksudnya kalau step nombor 2 ni mungkin dia tak ada pun macam tu. Okay, tapi this is how I understand. Okay, and then I teach you how the way I understand it. Okay, so in the next video I will show you the example how to solve the LU decomposition. Okay, this is just a general. Okay, alright. Okay.